So my name is Ray Dahl. I live on what's called the Dahl Farm, which is named after my family. I'm the third generation on this farm. It was purchased by my grandfather, not as a farm, as raw land, and we developed it into what it is today with each generation doing a little bit more. So a bit of history on this creek. It has moved a few times over the generations, so I have received different stories through the generations of what it was when my grandfather was here, and then also my father. And during my time, this creek we're standing beside used to go a different direction, and through sediment and other things, it actually eventually disappeared, and it was non-existent, and it was just water flowing over top of our fields. And so a few years ago, we decided that needed to be changed because the fish were no longer able to get up the stream, and so it was actually isolating a big section of their potential spawning area.
When we first came on site, there was no ground cover, no vegetation. So over the past year, we have managed to densely plant the right bank of the creek with conifers, deciduous trees, shrubs, understory vegetation. And the goal of that is to provide long-term shading for the creek and the salmon that relies on it. We have also used live staking to create an overhanging canopy and vegetation along the creek, and that will provide more shelter for the fish, but it will also provide a source of food. Salmon fish will feed on the leaves and the insects that will fall in the water, and it will also help cool down the water in the summer month.
So it's been a very good experience with Farmland Advantage program. I think it's fair to say that as farmers we are very busy and we focus on the things we have to do, and sometimes we don't do the things that we should do. I think historically as society, but also as farmers, we have not taken enough care of our streams on our properties. And so I think it's fair to say that if it wasn't for Farmland Advantage, we probably would not have this vegetation being properly established the way it is, that's going to benefit the ecosystem that is the stream itself. So, I'm very thankful for it. So I highly recommend this program, Farm Advantage, to anybody that has a farm or land appropriate that has streams such as this on it that could benefit from it. It definitely has made a big difference for us. It's easy. It's an easy program to work with. They're a great bunch of people that work with you. It's not onerous to you. You just have to be there and allow them to do the work that they need to do, and they appreciate your feedback. So, some farmers are a little hesitant to let people onto their land and let them do their own thing. I assure you that this is a bunch that is going to take care of your best interest as well as the interest of the stream.